So light, camera, action.
Okay, I have a doubt. How a student learn? Basically from their teacher. What if the teacher is not good? Let's see the student.
Yes, teacher.
What nonsense? Don't you have sense? Nonsense. Idiot. Don't take manners from your parents. Sorry, sir. Hold ears. Not mine ears. Your ears. Hold your ears. Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir. Just go and sit.
अरे हम यहीं से बोल रहे
Good morning, children.
Good morning, sir.
I'm just taking your attendance. So, be careful, okay? होशियार सिंह, फालतू सिंह, अमेरिका सिंह, सुल्ताराम, रलियाराम. Ralia, why didn't you come yesterday?
Master Saab, yesterday I had gone to watch a movie, sir.
Which movie?
Kabir Singh, sir, with my friends and girlfriend.
Friends or girlfriend?
Yes, sir.
You are very naughty. Just sit. Okay, tell me who will do the prayer?
I don't have.
Sir,
Yes.
I pray something.
Okay, you do prayer and I'm coming. Okay?
कौन जी? Yes, sir. कौन जी?
बदन पे सितारे लपेटे हुए.
Stop it. You need not to sing this song. I will sing this song. Okay. चांद सी महबूबा हो मेरी कब ऐसा मैंने सोचा था तुम बिल्कुल वैसी हो जैसा मैंने सोचा था तुम बिल्कुल वैसी हो जैसा मैंने सोचा था ना कसमें है ना रस्में है ना शिकवे है ना वादे हैं एक सूरत भोली भाली है दो नैना सीधे सादे हैं दो नैना सीधे सादे हैं ऐसा ही रूप ख्यालों में था जैसा मैंने सोचा था हाँ तुम बिल्कुल वैसी हो जैसा मैंने सोचा था.
What nonsense? What are you doing? I told you now. I told you that you do prayer and you sang a Bollywood song. Nonsense.
Sir, I felt that Bollywood prayer means Bollywood song. Sir.
What rubbish? What are you saying? Don't you have sense? Nonsense. Behuda. Just sit down. Sorry, son. Sorry, sir. Okay, children. I got news for Education Minister. That news is that tomorrow will inspector come in our school for investigation. So don't make any notorious things and be careful. Well maintain yourself and especially Hoshiar and Ralia. You will not come tomorrow
Why, sir?
because you both are very naughty. So that's why you don't come.
Okay, sir.
Bro, tomorrow is our holiday.
We will come. No, we will come. Master is a very cheater, and master will be take our shares free, and I come next tomorrow.
Oh, that is matter.
Yes.
Okay, bro. We will come silently and sit back. After that, when sweets are distributed, and we will eat them. Okay?
Okay, children, this class is over.
Next week.
Oh,
how is the student behaving? But that is not their fault. It's the teacher fault. Let's see the behavior, because for the student, knowledge and behavior is most important. So we saw their behavior. Now time to see their knowledge. Thank you.
Scene 2. Scene 2 start.
Good morning, bachcho.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
Fine, sir.
Good, very good. And where is your master?
Master has told us that someone is allowed to come, so he wants outside by his door.
What? What are you? Such a kind of things happen in your school? Yeah. Okay, sit down. Okay. I will ask some question and you have to give their answer. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, so firstly, who is smarting you?
Sir, I am a smart boy. I come first in classroom.
Oh, wow.
No, sir. He is not smart. I am smart. My name is Hosiyar Singh, sir.
Oh, I see. Okay, sit down. Okay, hey son, stand up and tell me, where is your Mirka? Oh, okay. Do you know?
Sir, America. So he did hiding himself in the bathroom. He did not come here, sir.
What? Stupid. Sit down. Have your teacher not taught them where is your Mirka?
No, sir.
Sit down. Okay, hey son, stand up and tell me, what will you do once we will grow up?
Sir, I will be groomed.
What? No. I mean to say that, what will you to achieve, we will grow up.
Sir, when I will groom, then I want to achieve the bride.
No. I mean to say that, what will you do for your, what do your parents want from you?
Sir, grandson.
Okay, haram khor. What is the purpose of your life?
Sir, we are two and we will have to.
Sit down. Don't make me mad. Sit down. Hey, who are you?
I am cheater.
What? Are you cheated?
No, sir, I am teacher of this class. Sorry, sir.
Oh, well, you are teacher.
Yes, sir.
Have you not taught them? They don't have any discipline or manner?
No, sir. They are children. They are very smart. Even they complete their syllabus. You can ask.
Really?
Yeah, really.
Okay, tell me, who removed the Draupadi sari?
Sir, Master sir.
What? Master sir?
What?
Yes, sir.
What are you saying? No, sir.
Sir, Draupadi is Master Sahib wife.
What?
And I saw one day sir called me
What Beuta?
in his hour and take out her wife, Master Sahib.
Wow, what a master.
No, sir. He is telling lie.
No, sir. Yes.
He
Okay,
is telling lie, sir.
sit down. Okay, tell me, who had the broken a bow of Shivji?
Sir, I don't know anything, sir. I am innocent. I have done not even the see a bow. Sir, in all matters they take my name only, sir.
Wow, children know everything.
Yes, sir. I told you earlier.
Stupid. Shut up. Children don't know everything, okay? This is very bad environment, okay? And I will complain to the education minister.
Sir, they are children, sir. They are very innocent. You are misunderstanding, sir. Sir, come on, let's sit there. Let it fix by something, sir.
Do you want to bribe me?
No, sir. It's our love for you, sir. Sir, children's brought for you something, sir.
What is this?
Milk, sir.
What is this?
Sir,
Where did you get it from?
sir, the cat has run away last night. Mother, they do not see remaining milk.
What?
What? You came with milk with me?
Yes,
Oh
sir.
my God. Beuta. Nonsense. Don't you have sense? Nonsense.
Hey, why are you crying? Be silent.
Sir, my elder brother is used to pee in this night.
In this box?
Yes,
What?
Wow.
Master sir, baby.
You bring milk for me in this box?
Yes, sir, how will he
What
help
nonsense?
his brother now?
This is very bad environment. I will complain to the education minister, okay? And I will see you.
Change late. Education minister is my brother-in-law. I see. Go
I
and
will
complete.
see you.
Go
I
and
will see
complete.
you.
Go and complete. Go. he don't know anything. That education minister is my brother-in-law. God knows from where he come here. He don't know anything, don't have sense. He complained on education minister from me. What rubbish.
Okay, sir.
So now we saw the behavior of a student and teacher, knowledge too. It's time to see our chosen one. Yes, I'm talking about our minister whom we chose us. So let's see our minister whether he is going to do his job or he is keeping his relationship in between. Let's see.
Start.
मिनिस्टर कौन है? मिनिस्टर कौन है?
Good morning, guys. Hello, guys. Good morning. I don't think I need to give my intro because you guys already know me. But I am Bindu from the Ministry of External Affairs. Ministry of External. If you guys will clap for me, then I will share a narrative. So, as we guys know, the relationship between India and China is very interesting and strong.
Where is the poster of Gulabo Devi? Where is the poster of Gulabo Devi?
We Indians love China. No, you guys are getting me. I'm not talking about the people. I'm talking about the food like momos, noodles, chicken. Chinese don't even discriminate among the food, animals, birds and insects. They treat all these as their food. Chinese, you stand up and tell me one thing that Chinese don't.
We don't know anything.
No one is able to answer me because they eat everything like scorpion, octopus, frog, etc. If I will take all their food items, then it will be very long. So let it be. Now, Chinese eat cricket and we Indians play it very well. Then as we are talking about the cricket, then how can I miss the chance to mention my favorite cricketer, the legend Virat Kohli. He played very well for our country. Now come to the hottest topic. The courtship of that. That time, the last year, the Chinese invaded the ship and now the rest of the world is enjoying the injection of vaccine.
गुलाबो देवी जिंदाबाद। अमर रहे।
Speak louder.
poor condition of government schools, sir. Very poor condition of government schools, sir.
Speak louder.
Don't know even who has a broken coaxial system. Ask right question, sir, but they don't have any right answer, sir.
How can you blame them? They are very innocent. Don't you know he's my brother-in-law?
I didn't know, sir. It was my mistake, sir.
How can you do this?
Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir.
No, no. Now you are fine.
Wait.
Now we saw our minister.
Oh.
How was he? So that is why we said we should vote them by their skills, not by their note. Thank you.
स्टाइल में जाइए. क्लोज कैमरा क्लोज. या.
Hello, my dear friends. My name is Deepak. I give you some comedy. Let's do it. देखो, सबके जिंदगी में कुछ ना कुछ बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग बातें होती हैं जो सब कुछ शेयर नहीं करता. I will share with you. मैं अपने बचपन की बात बताऊं. मेरे बचपन में बहुत से कांड हुए हैं. वैसे देखा जाए तो मैं जब बच्चा था तो
जूता खाएं.
मैं जूता भी बहुत खाया हूँ क्योंकि मुझे पता नहीं था कि हाउ टू इम्प्रेस योर गर्ल. तो मैं कहीं जाके किसी लड़की को बोल देता था आई लव यू. रिसेंटली ये हुआ कि प्रीवियस ईयर वैलेंटाइन वीक चल रहा था. मुझे पता नहीं था कि कैसे गर्ल्स को प्रपोज करते हैं, कैसे वैलेंटाइन वीक स्पेंड करते हैं. तो मैं गया, एक अच्छी लड़की देखा और बहुत देर देखने के बाद, आधा घंटा 1 घंटा देखने के बाद वो भी मुझे देख के हंस रही थी. तो मुझे लगा कि यार लगता है कि सीधा है. तो मैंने सोचा कि मैं उससे बात करूं. मैं गया, बात किया. मैंने उससे बात किया, जाकर बोला कि मैं आपको बहुत देर से देख रहा हूँ. तो कहने के लिए नंबर, क्या आप मेरे अपना नंबर दे सकती हैं? तो बोली अबे भाई तू है कौन? क्योंकि उसका बॉयफ्रेंड पीछे से था. क्योंकि उसका बॉयफ्रेंड पीछे से था, उसने मुझे पकड़ लिया. तो उसने बोला मैं बहुत मारूंगा. तो मैंने ही बोल दिया भाई तू मुझे जानता नहीं है, मैं बजरंग दल वाले से हूँ. यहाँ तू मार लेगा पर नेक्स्ट डे मैं तुमको मारूंगा ना. ठीक पता है. बाद में पता चला कि उसका कोई रिश्तेदार भाई जो बजरंग दल का अध्यक्ष है. भाई उसने तो उस समय बहुत मारा. फिर बजरंग दल वाले के पास वो मेरा इन्फॉर्मेशन पहुंच गया. फिर एक रूल है, बजरंग दल वाले अपने बंदे को कभी नहीं मारते हैं. तो उसने पहले मुझे क्या किया कि पहले अपने दल से निकाला. फिर उसके बाद उसने मुझे इतना मारा.